Wire cut electrical discharge machining. This machine comes under the classification of thermoelectric. The fundamental principle of metal removal is wire cut EDM is the same as EDM. It employs electrical energy to remove metal from the workpiece without touching it. WEDM works on the principle that the heat energy generated by a spark is used to remove material from the workpiece. These are some parts which manufactured with the help of this WEDM. Mostly WEDM used to cut the dies. Let's see how WEDM works. So for EDM, we take a workpiece. The maximum depth allowed in the WEDM is 90 mm. Through this workpiece, we place wire, which is a fresh wire, and diameter of the wire used in WEDM is 0.3 mm and its speed is 2.5 to 150 mm per second. A dielectric supply, generally deionized water is used for dielectric in WEDM. Wire itself acts as a tool, and the material for tool in WEDM is copper or mixture of copper graphite. This is a wire spool, and this wire spool, with the help of this wire spool, the wire is moved from fresh to used one. A CNC table is provided below the workpiece, and with the help of this CNC table, the material is moved. An electric supply is provided in the range of 50 volt to 30 ampere. Wire tension is 50 to 60% of its tensile strength. This always we need to be maintained. When electric supply is on, the current is supplied to the wire spool and the work. So in this case, the wire spool become cathode and work became the anode. So as we have seen in EDM, when the current is supplied to the tool which became electrically conductive, and it releases a negative ions, and anode which release positive ions, and because of that there is a huge acceleration in between negative and positive ions, and this acceleration increase the kinetic energy of the ions, and because of that kinetic energy heat is generated, and this heat is reached to the temperature in the range of 8000 to 12,000 degrees Celsius, and because of that this dielectric fluid from non-conductive to the electrical, it become electrically conductive, and as soon as this dielectric fluid become electrical conductive, potential difference created in between negative and positive, and because of that there is a spark, and this spark is responsible to melt the metal. So here the actual machining is, because of the increase in heat, material is softened, and when the electrical spark is discharged on that soft material is removed. Now this wire moves along the path as shown in your diagram, and this is because of the CNC table. As the wire moves in the prescribed path we will get a desired machining. Our wire is moved in the square direction as I have shown you, and in this way we are able to cut any shape of material with the help of wire cut EDM. The cutting rate is 10 to 15 mm per minute in this WEDM. Process parameter considered in WEDM process. The first is discharge current, pulse duration, pulse frequency, wire speed, wire tension and dielectric flow. As I already told you, this process parameter controls the process of machining. Discharge current, material removal rate increases with the discharge current. As the material current is increased, material removal rate is also increased, but we cannot go more than 30 ampere. Pulse duration, increase in pulse duration result in more removal of material, and increase in the pulse duration reduces surface roughness. Pulse frequency, material removal rate increase with the pulse frequency. The pulse frequency is about 1 MHz, and this result in reduced crater size or better surface finish. So it means that material removal rate increases with the pulse frequency, and we will get a better surface finish. Cutting rate, the wire speed moves in the range of 2.5 to 150 mm per second. The cutting rate depends upon the thickness of the workpiece. The maximum depth of material that can be machined is about 90 mm. I already shown you. The average machining rate is 10 to 15 mm per minute is generally achieved. Wire tension, the wire tension is 50 to 60% of its tensile strength. Dielectric flow, a nozzle is employed to inject the dielectric flow in the machining area. The supply of dielectric should be continuous and enough to allow the sparking. The dielectric fluid can be reused but only after filtration. Advantages of WEDM. A straight hole can be produced to close tolerances. As a NC used, the machine can be operated unattended for a longer period of time. High degree of accuracy and good surface finish can be obtained. Very sharp angle can be cut with almost no radius. WEDM eliminates the need for post machining, heat treating and possible part distortion. The part produced are burr free. Disadvantages of WEDM. Wire cannot be reused because due to sparking the wire no more remain around. If proper tension is not maintained, the surface finish will be poor. So that's why we have to maintain the wire tension in between 50 to 60%, otherwise our surface finish will be poor. Only electrically conductive material can be machined. The maximum depth of workpiece which can be machined is around 90 mm. A hole is necessary in the workpiece for machining of surface which is not at the edges. So as I have shown you that wire is passing through middle of the workpiece. So in that case we need to pre-drill that hole through some another machining, and if we start the machining from edges, in that case the drilling is not required. Application of WEDM. It uses in punches and dies for the production of molds and dies, used to cut out complex counter in electrically conductive workpieces. Now this is advantage of this WEDM, which is a disadvantage of EDM basically. So in that EDM we are not able to cut the complex counter, but here we are able to cut the complex counter because of the wire thickness. The wire thickness used is 0.3 mm. So in that case we are able to cut the complex counter in WEDM. Simple flat shape which usually would be stamped, maybe job for wire EDM, when they required a superior quality edge. Cylindrical pins as small as 5 mm in diameter can be machined. Thank you for watching this video.